Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 23rd day of June, 2025. Just got finished with the live trading room. And this is a trade taken in the live trading room by one of our members. And we've seen this multiple times. If you're familiar with any of our videos, we have a very interesting indicator with Samurai Day Trading, which is a strong candle indicator. Used in the proper way, it creates a lot of really great trades, and this is one of them. So the market has come up and see it's failed at its resistance level, and then given us a very strong candle heading in the opposite direction. So we just need this to push up a little bit, do a little push retrace off the moving average there, and then we'll just take it short. PVI at the time is 65, so I expect this next candle to go somewhere between 60 and 90 ticks in length. We will look at our ATM. We'll go for targets of 16s, 31s, and 60s, and we'll see how we got on. All right, the candle's already kind of retraced a little bit already, so we'll put our sell order on here. We'll come underneath the current candle, and we'll see how we made out. Oh, took us up maybe a little early. Would like a little bit more of a retrace, but that's okay. First thing we got to do is put our stop where. Whoop. First. All right, now if this takes me out at break even, I have to put another order on. All right. So we de-risked the trade relatively quickly. All right, and now that it's retraced again, we'll go ahead and enter the trade again. That hasn't happened too many times to us in trade of the day, but occasionally it does. Now we put our stop back where it belongs and we start all over again. So the idea here is to de-risk the trade as quickly as possible, and that way we don't worry about the fact that it's going to come back the other way. So we're kind of a hedge, and if it takes us out, it takes us out above where we got in, so we can re-enter the trade, which we've done. Now we haven't de-risked the trade quite yet. There we go. Now the trade's de-risked. See the stop came from all the way at the top to here. And now we're going to try and take it down shorter. We'll speed it up a little bit so we're not here all day. Now, if it takes me out again at break even, I'll have to put another order on. And it happened again. So let's do it again. And we'll just keep nailing it until it pays us proper. Now you could just leave your stop where it is and just wait for it to pay your larger targets. But I'll tell you what, if this goes against you, it's a lot of risk there. So again, the third time we've had our first target taken out. We de-risked again. This time we had our first two targets taken out. So even if it comes back and takes us our stop out, we're going to make money on this, and we'll see how it goes. Struggling down here. There are Fibonacci reasons why it's struggling. But again, just leave your stop where it is. Just let it go and do its thing. And takes out our last target. Now we had to enter that trade three times before it actually paid our larger targets, but it was worth 660 US dollars and took less than 5 minutes to accomplish. So if you want to learn how to make 660 US dollars in less than 5 minutes, come join us in the live trading room today at samuraidaytrading.com. Samuraidaytrading.com. God bless you, and we'll look forward to next time. Take care and have a beautiful day.